last thing I want to show you. Another critical service that is incredibly easy to use that I recommend you do use, especially when deploying to Azure, is App Insights. So I configured my web app for App Insights by adding application insights. I basically hit a checkbox somewhere and said, yeah, I want application insights. And for that, I can do things like do a search for the last 24 hours and get a pretty rich stream of all the stuff that's been going on in my website. Again, I clicked a button and I hit deploy. That's all I did, and I'm getting very sophisticated eventing and analytics. Again, this is a big long demo all on its lonesome. So we're going to leave it alone. But this did come in handy earlier today because, of course, you noticed how I got the connection string wrong just a few minutes ago. Well, the reverse of that problem was not getting my database deployed correctly in the first place because EF migrations, which I ran, doesn't initialize your database by default. It'll upgrade your database, but it won't initialize it by default. So I just changed my connection string to be Azure SQL, set the firewall rule, and ran my initialized database migration, and bang zoom, I had a database created on Azure. So somewhere buried in here is my event that says, dude, you couldn't call SQL Server, and here's why. And actually, here's the 3 or 4 reasons why, because you can't fix the problem the first time. There's got to be the cascading effect of whatever other issues I had to get things right, getting the connection string in, and so on and so forth.